Hello viewers, what's up? I'm Shimel and you're watching Shimi's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share Mutton Zurbian. Zurbian is the Yemeni version of biryani and is usually made for special occasions. The rice is very aromatic and delicious. So let's see how to make it. First step is to make the spice mix. Add 1 teaspoon coriander seeds on hot pan, 1 teaspoon black peppercorn, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 inch cinnamon, 7 to 8 cloves, 5 cardamom, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Now roast this for a minute and blend it to a fine powder and set aside. Second step is to soak 1 teaspoon saffron in a glass of water, mix well and set this aside for later use. Third step is to fry 3 sliced onions into golden brown. Once done, remove onto a paper towel lined plate and drain excess oil. Fourth step is to blend half of the fried onion and a cup of curd. Blend it to a fine paste and set this aside. Fifth step is to marinate the mutton. In a bowl, add 750 grams of mutton pieces. Add blended onion mixture. Goes in half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 heap teaspoon spice mix, 1 teaspoon salt. Now give this a very nice mix and marinate this for at least 2 hours in refrigerator. At this point you can also add roughly chopped potatoes and marinate this with mutton. It's optional. And now sixth step is to heat 1/4 cup oil in a pressure cooker. Use same oil of fried onions. Goes in 1 cinnamon, 3 cloves, 2 cardamom, 1 bay leaf, 1 tablespoon minced ginger, 1 tablespoon minced garlic. Saute for few seconds. Now add the marinated mutton pieces. Fry this for a minute. And to this I am adding half glass of saffron water and 1 cup water. Give this a nice mix and now I'm going to close the lid and slow cook for at least 40 minutes. Now let's make the rice. Heat 3 tablespoon oil in a pan. Goes in 1 bay leaf, 3 cloves, 2 cardamom and 1 inch cinnamon. With this I am adding 4.5 glass of water and now bring it to boil. Once it comes to boil, add 3 cups of soaked basmati rice. Give this a very nice mix. Goes in 1 teaspoon salt. Adjust as per your taste. Now let the rice cook 80%. And now I'm going to open the pressure cooker. Once pressure goes off, check with the meat and give this a nice mix. And then I'm going to transfer this to the other pan and give charcoal smoke for 10 minutes. Once done, remove the charcoal bowl and now add rice. The rice has to be cooked 80%. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon spice mix on top and pour the other half of saffron water on the rice. Again, give charcoal smoke to the rice for 5 minutes. Once done, remove the bowl and cover it with foil and close the lid tightly and slow cook for 30 minutes. If you don't want to marinate potato and mutton together, you can make potatoes separately. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan, add 2 roughly chopped potatoes. Fry this for a minute. And next I'm going to add the spice mix, some salt. Now roast it for a minute. And to this I'm adding fried onion and curd mix. Give this a very nice mix. Add 1 cup of water. Close the lid and slow cook till potatoes become soft and till water absorbs. And now you can see mutton Zurbian is ready. Now mix gently and transfer this on a serving dish. Place the fried potatoes on top of the rice and garnish with some fried onions. Surprise your taste buds with authentic flavor of yemeni mutton Zurbian. Zurbian tastes very delicious and it is also very pleasing to look at. Zurbian is usually served with green salad and tomato based green chili salsa. So guys, try this out and let me know how it turned out for you. Snap a pic and tag us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen and follow us for more short recipes and updates. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing iftar recipes. Stay tuned and have a nice day.